Alright, what's going on everybody? Nick here from Southside Fishing. I've got a real interesting video. This is just spur of the moment. I literally got the message to go fishing about 30 minutes ago and I'm on the road filling up right now. Gonna go for some bass, try to get some topwater blow-ups. It should be fun. Stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, so let me explain what's about to go on. I know I was kind of a rushed intro. I was in a hurry, but let me explain. Basically, I'm going to be fishing with Jason again from Jason Special. You guys saw him in the last video. We're going to go out to some bass, top waters. Maybe we're probably going to move to a different spot too. This is our secret spot, but if you're smart enough, you'll probably find out where it is if you live in Chicago. It's actually a pretty cool spot. Yeah, we might go to a different spot if this one doesn't pan out, so should be a good video, slaying some bass, hopefully. Good day, good overcast day, so they should be munching all day, and we'll see if we can get something. Okay, so this was the deal I was catching them on yesterday. It's a topwater frog, it floats, and there's really thick grass mats, so in this spot at least. So you just cast it out, reel it on, make sure it stays on the top, twitch it, the bass come up, and they smack it. Now, when they smack it, you need to wait, I'd say like a second and a half before you set the hook. And that just ensures that the frog is fully in their mouth, and then yam them so they can get their good hook set. I see my man already. Uh-oh, there he is. There he is, looking like a bass angler.
I don't care, man. I'm on this lake. Watch out, homie. This lake is mine now.
He doesn't, I mean, like, I fished with him a couple of, like, decently, but he doesn't always come out. Indiana's got some good bars.
I know, I see it. You saw he lived there too, right? He's the access too, right? Right? Oh no!
First fish, took like 4 casts. Just gotta go. He didn't even like smack that one, he just gulped it under. I didn't even hear it.
Swallow this shit.
Got him on the topwater frog.
I let him go first.
Oh, he let me go first? Okay.
I'm just kidding, he's a pro.
There's a little smudge on the lens here. Let me clean that off. Alright, so we're doing a little challenge here, me and Jason. I got 1 fish, he's got 0. We're gonna see who can catch the most fish in the time that we have. So he's gonna walk down there, see if he can catch one. I got 1, he's got 0. Let's get to it. Another one, baby. It's number 2 for me. He ate it underwater, and it's a topwater frog. That's funny. There you go. Got it out like that.
Did you get that out of here?
That's juicy. It's funny. We were just initially coming out here to just to fish. Jason wants to up the stakes challenge, so he thinks he can catch more fish than me. Little does he know, I'm a pro. Let's get it. One thing that I do have to say is if you're gonna use these soft body topwater frogs, get a lot of them, because second fish, this thing's already torn up. It's almost time to change it. I wish you guys could see these blow-ups. That thing just jumped like 5 feet out of the water to take this frog. I had him hooked for a second. It surprised me, so I didn't get a good hook set and he came off. I'm gonna see if I can get him again. That was insane. You probably saw how freaking surprised I was on that sloppy hook set too. All right, well, it's raining. Got this guy before I was heading out. It's pouring. Well, it's not pouring. It was pouring, but just got this guy real quick, so let's get some more. Crush that thing. He just slayed a hog, dude. Look at that.
Holy moly, guys.
That is huge.
Check.
That thing is huge. It was like a 5-pounder, dude. We weighed it. Holy cow. Yes, that was sick.
Sick.
I just had to film this because I think that looks cool. Look at how the city looks. That's sick. I don't know. I just had to film that. It's pretty cool. Okay, what's going on, guys? Nick here. If you're thinking that the quality looks a little bit different, it does, because I'm filming off of my iPhone right now, and that is because mid-shoot on that on the video that you're watching now, my camera just decided to, I don't know, have a heart attack and die. I don't know why, but it just froze up completely, and I tried to fix it. I tried calling the Nikon help center, and they could not help me, so my camera's dead. I don't know why it just died on me, but it did. But I just wanted to finish this video off. I know it's a pretty short video just because I didn't get to film everything because I couldn't. But peep out the new merch, that Logic fishing merch. That is pretty freaking cool. If you want to pick one of these shirts up, link is in the description. You can use the code SSF15 to get you 15% off, and all orders over $20 have free shipping. So once again, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Go pick you up a shirt like this. They got multiple colors. They got like long sleeve. They got hoodies and stuff like that. So do your boy a favor. Go use that promo code. Get your 15% off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have ordered a new camera, so it should be here pretty soon, but the videos might be slowed up until it gets here just because I don't really want to film off my iPhone. It's not the same quality, as you can probably tell, as a camera. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, I'm just really running. Fish every day.
Very simple.